So there's a Renault Espace and this rear window is falling down, and something came out from here that went up by pressing this. Maybe it will come out now. Nothing. Okay, so we have a screw here. And we have a screw here and here. Torx T15. Now that's a larger Torx. Let's see, that's a T30. Yes, that's good. That's from here. Now let's try to remove this speaker. Flathead screwdriver. A plastic would be better. It has some screws. T15. Now here's the speaker. Press in the side. So I just pulled it. It has these green connectors that's already broken. Those are not yet broken, the green ones. So you just have to pull it out, the lower part. I'll try to lift this one. I use this to lift it up. So it has a hook here and a clips on that end. Now just lift it up. Here. So you have to disconnect that thick wire, this one, and the speakers. So this is held by some clips. It came out very easily. I think I pulled from this side. So this is moving back and forward. You just have to insert it here. Here. So it looks like this from the inside. There's the door handle opening. There's the tweeter, you had to press it from that side. There's a capacitor. These will break off. those are there on the car. So those two were here, and on the side we have the greens. Up there also, we have a hook and a screw. That's the switch for the window. That's the tweeter, the small speaker. That's the larger speaker. That's for opening the door. So these should not be removed. They are melted. Yes, that's the locking mechanism. Now it's locked. If you pull it out, it's unlocked. Locked, unlocked. Unlocked, locked. Unlocked, locked. Now somehow remove these with the flathead screwdriver somehow and place them back there, so that you can simply push them in when you insert the door. You just slide them from the top down. So how I remove these? I use a larger and a smaller screwdriver, push it a bit sideways, and that will lift up one part, and then you can insert the small one. Okay, and then insert the large one into the center. So small one, a large one into the center, and twist it out a bit. Then insert the second one, twist it even more, and it came out. So they break very easily. It broke up just in one point. All three things are intact. Broken pieces. I break it now. Now we have metal parts here also. We have some foam that is glued. We have some glue there. Now this came out. This came out up there. You can see even the marks. Now connect back this, the button. You can connect it just one way because it has this part here. So this is not moving. I need to remove this also. So this part was there. I simply moved it up and I pushed the glass out because it has to exit from this part. It has a hole. It has a hole here. Now the glass is here, and this can be simply turned and removed. So this was inserted here. Move it up and it comes out. The glass is here between the blue and the black. So here it is broken, here,